In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 1v1 in CS2 Workshop maps. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a session between you and your friend in CS2. It is easy to do this, and the main way to set this up is going to be to invite them first. So on the right side of the home screen, go over to your friend and then send out the invite. Now, sadly for this video, I won't be able to get them inside of the game because I don't have two computers at the moment to record this. But once you send out the invite, they will get a notification that they can accept, and once they choose the option to join, a lobby will be created. You and your friend will be connected over here, and you will be able to see that they have joined. Once both of you are in the lobby together, go over to play, choose Workshop Maps. So if you are in the matchmaking tab, switch over and you will be able to browse through the maps that you have downloaded. If you still need to download the maps, go over to Visit Workshop at the bottom left, and in here you can browse through various different Workshop maps. Simply look for 1v1 or other similar terms. Once you download the map that you want to play with your friend, you can go ahead and join. Don't worry, they don't have to manually download the map. Once you choose the map and you click go, and then you choose any of these modes, I recommend custom if the option is available. The map will be downloaded automatically for them. But if you want to be sure that this works, both of you can download the map before joining. So once you join, that's all you have to do. As long as you are in the lobby, when you join the server, both of you will be connected. If you notice that there are bots in here, you can open up the console and type bot_kick. By doing this, all of the bots will be cleaned up and only you and your friend will remain. Once the warm-up is done, if the specific map that you downloaded has one, you will be able to 1v1 them freely. And this will work for any map that you can find on the workshop. You can also do official CS2 maps if you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 1v1 in CS2 workshop maps. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.